Did you know that one of the most powerful natural protectors on Earth was slowly pushed aside, not because it failed, but because it couldn't be patented? For centuries, neem was used to protect crops, heal skin, purify air, and even repel insects. It was natural, affordable, and effective. So why did we stop using it? Neem grows freely. Anyone can plant it. But chemicals? They can be patented, branded, and sold again and again. Industries don't invest where profit is limited, so neem was quietly sidelined. Neem works slowly but sustainably. Chemicals work fast, but at a cost. Damaged soil, poisoned water, harmed insects, and long-term health risks. As modernization grew, ancient wisdom was labeled old-fashioned. We stopped trusting nature and started trusting factories. Replacing neem with chemicals wasn't progress, it was a trade-off. Convenience over balance. Speed over sustainability. Maybe the future isn't about new chemicals. Maybe it's about rediscovering what nature already perfected.